3, 2, 1. S&P 500 chart indexes. We love to trade the SPX.X S&P 500 index, and this is a weekly chart. The blue bar, we can start out here. The negative is it's a weekly sell signal. Just here's how weekly sell signals start, right here. So let's be clear what happens when weekly sell signal starts. A weekly buy signal had occurred there, but now we've slightly breached that over the last couple of months. It's not very deep into that sell signal, so really basically the S&P index within itself has a very bearish momentum implication to it. As far as the upside movements go, the range is going to be now 1011.20, and the high end over here right below the SMF street is 1159.15, and that's going to be that horizontal trend line that shows you that price right there. That's half of that breakdown bar. Here's half at 1110. That's half of the SMF weekly bar, half of the SMF weekly bar, and right now this is where we had that burn off right here, and we held that same trend line right above that 1011 handle on the S&P that we burn up into that 52-week high right here, which was nice. Had that 4-week pullback that we shorted. Go look it up on stockmarketfunding.com. Nice move. Nice short that we told everyone about right here. Moving up to the high, we told everyone. 200-week moving average was a resistance to the reversal. Weekly moving averages are not good because the 10-week has really crossed over. That's a bear trend. Over the 50-week, that's even worse. So the upper end of this resistance is this right here. Until I have a closing bar above 1100, I will not get to that upper end of resistance. So during the July earnings, they're going to have to pull off some really good earnings, and the broader S&P and a lot of volatility but this is going to be resistance. So let's take a look at the resistance channel. I've got a 20-week moving average. Kiss goodbye right here. We had that double week reversal. Look at here. Double week up, but look at that selling week compared to that up week. Look at that sell week compared to that up week. And basically we have a pretty good broadleaf 4-day after the holidays, quote they'll try to, but the upper head resistances are as follows. 20-week moving average on the is 1128.15, 1128.15. The 10-week moving average is 1087.49. The closing price was right here. High was 1078. So that's going to be the short-term resistance. 50-week moving average is going to be 1093.83 on the upper end of that resistance into the 10-week and the 50-week. The upper end, like I said, on the S&P short-term would be up here at that 20-week moving average. The problem that you have with momentum cycles is you've got this weekly sell signal. So what that means is that that upward end of that resistance into those price channels are going to serve just like they did here at resistance levels. Let's show you so that you're not left behind in your understanding. Okay, 20-week moving average, we sold off. 20-week moving average, we sold off. 20-week moving average, we sold off. There, that's that red line. So that's the upper end of resistance, no matter what. So basically, the earnings season for July is starting. You've got a sell signal on the S&P Index 500. So that's the upper end of the challenges. We do have all of the calls and all of the puts. So we have put options that if we go up in here and we stall, we're able to buy, a 1060 put for August. We got puts that go clear out to December, September. Here's calls, puts, calls, and some puts looking below the market, looking where they're going to be taking out the value, because we could trade the index options. Calls go up and puts go down. It doesn't matter to us. We just happen to get on both sides of the risk.